In this video, I will show you how to send from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet. So if you want to send anything from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet, then please make sure you watch this video until the end. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to open our Coinbase app, and from here go and click on transfer at the bottom right. And from there go and click on send crypto. And in here we need to paste in the wallet address from Phantom Wallet. And in order to obtain this, we are going to our Phantom Wallet first. So in your Phantom Wallet, go ahead and click on receive from the home tab, or click on the crypto asset that you want to receive or to transfer, and then click on receive in there. I'm just going to click on receive in here. So let's click on this. And here I'm going to select the network that I want to receive on. So in this tutorial, I'm going with Ethereum, as I'm just going to transfer Ethereum, but you can just go ahead and select any network that you are transferring. So I'm just going to click on this copy to clipboard sign at the end. And now I'm going back to my Coinbase app, and then I'm going to paste in this wallet address. So I've pasted in the wallet address, and now I'm going to click on this thing in here. So now select the asset that you want to send. And I just selected Ethereum. So I'm going to select Ethereum in here again. And this step is really important because now you're selecting the network. And with Phantom Wallet, you are receiving on certain networks and not on assets. So I've just selected the Ethereum network. So it's really important that I select Ethereum right now again. Because if I now select a different network, let's say Base, then my crypto will get lost because the networks are not matching them. So select the network that you just selected on Phantom Wallet. And in this tutorial, I am doing it with Ethereum. So I'm going to select it right now. And here enter the amount that you want to transfer. So let's say €1.50 of Ethereum. Then I'm going to click on preview. Because I'm in the EU, I need to fill this section in as well. So I'm going to click on self-custody wallet. And if you're sending it to yourself, go ahead and check this box, and otherwise fill in the recipient's full name and country of residence, and then click on continue. And after that, you will see a transaction detail screen of this transfer. And if everything is all right, then you can just go ahead and click on send now. And you will also see the send time in here and the fee as well. So let's go ahead and click on send now. And as you can see, we have a confirmation of this transfer. So now we can click on done and go to Phantom Wallet if you can see if it's already there. So I can now see that my Ethereum has arrived. So I can click on Ethereum, then I can scroll down, and then I will see that it has been received. So this is how you do it. This is how you send from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.